there, this is Chris Alagar. Welcome to my channel. In this video, kakain ng pizza. So check it out. So what we're waiting for is get it out.
Bakit naman ang lalaki? Isang cake binigay sa akin. 300 yan. Elect ninyo. Ang sukli mo eh. 650. Okay na yan. Sabi ko, manok with ano, ayaw nyo. Iguwa na lang ang salad sarili ko. Magkano binayaran niya?
Ayun.
Ilan yung knowledge?
So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video. It's fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.